She's self-aware as she watches her surroundings. She's paying quite attention to you and what you're saying. She's listening to you and thinking where she stands with you. She isn't desperate, but does what she can to get your attention. With all her scampishness, she's a person of her own. She can talk and tweet and sing, but only if she is willing. You expect her to talk and she won't say a word. She calmly takes delight in being adored. She has a will of her own which she will not compromise. Take her for just a bird and she'll leave you in surprise. You have to have the eyes to see her for what she is. She's a field of consciousness with a beak and feathery wings. Only when she sees you and that you see her too, she offers you some popcorn and invites you to play peekaboo.